John Deere 5058E, the latest model in the E series of John Deere. It's completely new, also a new engine, has a Commerail engine now. It has also now a particle filter. It's got the new nose. You can see there's the old one. Also the new rollover protection. Headlights. New brake system. Also has a power reverser. One hydraulic, option for two. You also got the hitch. Let's start her up. Got the electronic hitch, also the manual hitch. You can see. Then back. If you want to do it quickly, you press this one up. And also for down. Now it's not turning. Front wheel, beacon lights, light at the back. So yes, it's a completely new John Deere. It's a really nice looking machine. Very nice machine for a farmer, dairy farmer. It's look really nice.